This video will detail the installation for the Fishbone Offraod windshield light brackets for the 1997 to 2006 TJ Wrangler. Step 1. Begin by removing the upper bolt from the windshield hinge using a T40 Torx. Insert the piece of all thread into this hole to keep the nut plate from falling down inside your Jeep's body. Next, remove the remaining 3 bolts necessary for installation. Step 2. Install your light bracket. Ensure the gasket is placed between your new light bracket and your OEM windshield hinge. Secure the new bracket to your Jeep using the included hardware and your OEM Torx bolt. Remove the all thread from the upper bolt location only after installing the other bolts. Use the all thread to repeat steps 1 and 2 for the opposite side of your Jeep. Install your lights following the light manufacturer's instructions. And you're done. You're ready to enjoy your new Fishbone Offraod windshield light brackets.
Fishbone Offraod.